15 Golden Rules of Yoga. Must follow if you want to take 100% benefits of yoga. Watch the video till end. Verified by Dr. Satish Agrawal. 1. Wear loose and comfortable clothes. 2. Keep your stomach and bowels are empty. Leave a gap of 2 to 4 hours between your last meal and your yoga practice. 3. Turn the phone on silent. 4. Remove footwear. 5. Practice on a yoga mat. 6. Pay attention to your breath. 7. Push yourself, but do not force a pose. Do slowly. 8. Relax after each asana or pose, at least for 5 normal breaths. 9. During practice do long exhalations. 10. Do your practice with 100% awareness on your movements and breaths. 11. Do poses, inhalation and exhalation properly, under guidance of a certified yoga teacher. 12. Never do yoga in hurry and practice every day on same time. 13. Do in open area. If you are doing in home, then open your all doors. 14. Do yoga in early morning. 15. Do proper rest after yoga. Do yoga, stay happy and stay healthy. Check if you're following these rules during yoga practice.
Thank you for watching. If you like the video, like, comment, share and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon.